Hello everyone, welcome back to Reisjournals. This is Ravali, and today I'm taking you on a beautiful journey through the charming city of Haarlem in the Netherlands. Haarlem is easily accessible from Amsterdam, making it a perfect day trip destination. You can reach Haarlem by train in just 15 minutes from Amsterdam Central. Haarlem streets are perfect for leisurely stroll. Don't miss the Groot Market. Each corner we turn reveals a new picture square scene with traditional Dutch architecture and houses adorned with colorful flowers. Our next stop is the majestic Groot Kerk, also known as Saint Bavo Kerk. This iconic church is a masterpiece of Gothic architecture and has a rich history dating back to the 14th century. This is a must visit place for its impressive architecture and historic significance. Inside, you can find the Miller organ, which has been played by the likes of Mozart and Handel. And after exploring the historic sites, it's time to indulge in some delicious food. Haarlem offers a variety of dining options from cozy cafes to restaurants. Haarlem is not just about history and food, it's also a place to relax and enjoy the scenic beauty. Thank you for joining me on this wonderful journey through Haarlem. I hope you enjoyed exploring the charming street, historic churches, and delightful restaurants as much as I did. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Rise Journals for more travel adventures. See you in the next video.